Hello friends, here I have a very interesting question. It looks by the way very complex at the first glance, but it's not that much. It's very easy if you see very closely. Since we are doing this by the method of substitution, so we need to first find out what function we need to suppose what should be substituted, right? And that depends whether the thing that we're going to suppose, whether the expression that we're going to suppose as a new function's derivative is present here itself or not. Okay, that completely depends on that. So if you see properly, very clearly it is written x to the power 10. Derivative of x to the power 10 is 10x to the power 9. Alright, and derivative of 10x is 10x log e10. Very clearly written. It means we need to take this as a t. It's very clear. So let t equals to x to the power 10. X to the power 10 plus 10 to the power x. Alright. Therefore, dt over dx is going to be 10 x to the power 9 plus the derivative of 10 to the power x will be the 10 to the power x times log e 10. Alright, this will be the derivative of this. If you're confused, then you can do in this way. Alright, let me show you. You know this how it came, but I'm just showing you how this came. All right, let's say y equals to 10 to the power x. All right, then what you're going to do, you're going to suppose you're going to take natural log both sides. All right, so log e y equals to log e 10 to the power x, and again log e y, and since you are taking log, so this this exponent, this x will come here and it will be log e 10. Now my dear friend, log e10, it's a constant. Alright, so now let's differentiate both sides. So it will be 1 by y dy over dx. That's going to be derivative of x, first the coefficient, that is log e10, and derivative of x, that's 1. So our derivative dy over dx, that is derivative of this 10 to the power x, 10 to the power x with respect to x is log e10 times this y, and when the y will come next time, that we're gonna put the value of let's say y, and that's 10, and that's log e10, and the y value of y is 10 to the power x, 10 to the power x. So that's what that's what I say. Derivative of 10 to the power x is log e10 times 10 to the power x. Very clear right here. All right, this is the first term, this is the second term. I just exchange here, so no problem at all. All right, so it's going to be now dt equals to 10x to the power 10 plus 10 to the power x times log e10. All right, times this dx is going to multiply here dx, and now I'm going to use this wonderful relationship to solve this integration question. All right, and the question is going to be now here I equals to our new integrand is, see, in the place of 10x to the power 9 plus this all stuff, I'm going to use dt simply. All right, and x to the power 10 plus 10 to the power x, that's t. All right, so divided by t. Okay, so the integration of dt by t is simply log absolute value of t plus constant, and log, and the value of t is here x to the power 10 plus 10 to the power x. All right, and we need to take the absolute value. Okay, this is the absolute value, let's say. All right, this is our solution. I hope you understand it, and if there is any confusion, you may be confusing here, then please feel free to comment below this video, or you can review the differentiation chapter. Right.